In this video, I'm going to show you how to sync your Google Calendar with iPhone calendar application. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your settings and here scroll down until you find calendar. It's right here. And there tap on accounts. Here you can add some accounts right there. For that, tap on accounts button and there select the account you want. I'll select Google one and here you need to go through your login process. I just made that before. I wouldn't do it right now, but you just select your account, type your password and then your account will be added right here at Gmail. And you need to go into that menu and turn on the calendars right there. And now Google Calendars will be synced with that Apple application. So next, open up Apple Calendar application and there tap on calendars at the bottom, and now that option was appeared, that block of calendars, it calls Gmail, and now you can adjust it. So you see that's iCloud block and that's Gmail block. I can hide them all. I can toggle off some calendars that I don't want to show in that application, and I can turn off if I want to see them. And then here when I'm done, I just tap done and now all it works. Both of calendars are now synced. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.